Okay, class. Thank you for coming early to class, and today we'll begin. Um, so today, before we start, I would like to play a little game. So I want you guys to guess what are the words. So I will talk about two words, and they're kind of long, but. Okay, so so we're gonna start by playing hangman. So I want you guys to give me words, and if you guys want hint, I can give you guys hint, but I think this is kind of easy. So I want you guys to give me words, and I can put it out over here, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna talk about today. So can you guys give me some letters?
A.
Okay, so we'll start from the first one, yeah? Wait. Okay, so this is the first one, first letter. First word over here, so what's the next one?
E. I. T.
No.
L. N. I'm sorry.
N.
Oh, I already know the one. Wait.
R.
No.
How do I say S?
Melanesia.
No, because then there's other. But that's what I was thinking.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, okay, then yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so the first one will be Melanesian, and then the second one will be, can I guess what's the second one?
S. E.
P. I got it.
Oh, because I was doing
Oh. Ah.
The Polynesian.
Yay.
Yay.
Okay, so today, thank you guys. So today I will talk about so today I will have you guys talk about these two because we actually have three. So they're Melanesian and Micronesian and Polynesian, but today we'll just talk about these two, and then next week we'll talk about the Micronesian. So I will ask, we'll start first with we'll start first with talking about Melanesian. I want us to all learn about this because I want you guys to all, when you guys go home, everyone will understand and can be able to tell the differences between this like culture, different cultures and stuff. Because I was also like I don't really understand and know the differences until I became learning this, that there are different type of Melanesian, Micronesian and Polynesian. So can I please ask, can you please read the definition of Melanesian, please?
I apologize.
Oh, Nathan, please.
Melanesian, ethnic and geographical grouping of islands whose inhabitants he thought were distinct from those of Polynesia and Micronesia. They have frizzy hair with dark brown eyes, also dark skin.
So those are Melanesian people who are kind of like have a dark brown skin, darker skin color, and they also have like kind of frizzy hair. Which when I thought Fijian was Polynesian, but then they said Fijian. The Fijian people were not Polynesian. So they said here are some islands that are considered as Melanesian, which they are Vanuatu. If you guys don't know what they look like, I'll show you guys in a minute. But they have like frizzy hair, kind of dark skin. And Solomon and Fiji and BNG and New Caledonia. And these people are considered as Melanesian people. And this is what they look like. The Melanesian people, which they have like frizzy hair. I think Melanesian people are cute when they have those curly, nice hair and cute. And so I will talk more about that, but then that is one thing that I want you guys to understand, that Melanesian are people with a little bit darker skin color, and they have like frizzy hair, they have brown, dark eyes, and this is what they look like. And so the next one I will talk about is Polynesian. So I'll ask you to please read the definition of Polynesian.
The Polynesians are the original inhabitants of a vast string of islands in the Pacific Ocean, from New Zealand in the south to Hawaii in the north. The western boundary is Easter Island. Polynesia means many islands in Greek. The cultures of the region share many traits with each other. Their differences are often subtle and not readily perceived by outsiders. They mostly have dark black hair, brown eyes, and lighter skin.
So like what she has read out, it says that it's an original inhabitant of strings of islands in the Pacific. So New Zealand, not just New Zealand, but the Maori, they're considered as Polynesian. Also Hawaii, and here are some other countries that they are considered as Polynesian, like the Cook Island, Hawaii, the New Zealand Maori, Samoa, Tuvalu, and I can see in Hawaii, we have a Polynesian culture over there. So when we go over there, we see all the Polynesian over there. But then I still wonder why Fiji's over there since they're Melanesian, but maybe they kind of just all together in once. And this is what they look like. They Polynesian, they have like kind of like a little bit lighter skin, and they have mostly they have dark black hair with like brown eyes, and this is what Polynesian looks like. Who can anyone tell me what does Micronesian look like?
Micronesians look like, when I see them, it's more like the Polynesian people. But it's really different in how I can describe it, but it's different.
Does any of you know what does Micronesian means or know what do they look like? Okay, so we have Melanesian, Polynesian, and we also have Micronesian. Micronesian are people with like light skin, but they have like really straight hair like the Asian people, and they have brown eyes too. So that's what Micronesian is. For our, this is what Melanesian and Polynesian look like. And so I will have these two up, and I will want you guys to come and write down some names of countries that you think it will go to Melanesian. I'm gonna write down Melanesian over here, and then I will have the Polynesian over here. And so I want you guys to come and give me some few like countries that you think. I will give you guys the name, and then you guys will come and write down like where does it belong. Is it a Melanesian or a Polynesian? So we'll start from you. Can you please come up, and I will just tell you. Oh yeah, you can. I will just tell you the place, and you can just write it down. Where do you think Vanuatu belongs? Oh.
I have no idea.
Okay, how about Solomon?
Where?
Solomon?
Just guess.
No.
I don't know how to spell that.
Okay.
SOL. Solomon. Yeah, there you go.
Yay, thank you. The next one, Brooke, can you come and write down where does New Zealand belongs to? Thank you, and I will have one more, Nathan. Can you please come and write down where does Fiji belong to?
Attack the PCC. That wasn't Polynesian. Oh. No one saw that. I was thinking
Yay! So, do you guys have any question or anything that you need to ask? Have any question? Do you guys understand the differences between the Melanesian and Polynesian, what they look like or no?
So Melanesian are just darker skinned with frizzy hair, and Polynesians have darker skin.
Yes.
Polynesian light
Like
skin.
yours.
Polynesians have lighter skin,
Yeah.
and Melanesians have darker skin.
Yeah.
Fijians
Okay.
versus Tongans almost a lot darker.
Okay.
Melanese dark.
Yes. So, I have this video that I showed Nathan earlier. It's one of the videos. So the thing is, even though we have different color like Melanesian, Micronesian, Polynesian, but like is when we believe everyone is one. So this video that I saw back home, and it's a Polynesian people. It's a Tongan kids at my school, and they're dancing Samoan dance. But the person who was teaching it was a Melanesian person who was teaching it. So it just see how intercultural, how people connected, even though you're maybe I don't want to say it, but different colors, everyone can be connected and help each other. So I have this video that I want you guys to watch, maybe 2 minutes video. And okay, so here's the video. Oh. Okay. Okay, so this video, there's some Asian people in my school back home, and the person who's teaching it, she's Micronesian, but they dancing on other different things. So okay, so that is what I wanted you guys to watch and learn today, is that we can be able to tell the differences between each individual people, and this is what we call Yahana High School. So these people over there, we have Melanesian and we have Fijian over there, sitting over there too. And so, like what I said, when I was learning this earlier, I didn't know that Fijian was not Polynesian. But then Fiji is over there, so it's good to know. But so I hope you guys understand something today with my lesson, and our homework will be, I want you guys to understand them, and I will have you guys, I want you guys to learn more about other countries and where do they belong, because next week I'll give you guys a little quiz how to match each country with their races. Thank you.